So hello boys and girls, we have question 1 in tutorial 6. Manufacturers of CD-ROM drive claim that the player can spin the disk as frequent as 1200 revolution per minute. So it means that this CD is spinning at a speed angular velocity of 1200 revolution per minute RPM. So if spinning at this rate, what is the speed of outer row of data on the disk if this row of data is located 5.6 centimeter from the center of the disk? So we want to find the speed for a point 5.6 centimeter from the center of the disk. So let's say this is the point is here. So this point is at a radius of 5.6 centimeter from the center of the disk. We want to find V. So the formula to relate V with the angular velocity and the radius is V equal to R omega. So we are going to use this equation to solve the question. Anyhow, before we stop the questions, we have to do unit conversions. We are given the angular velocity is 1200 revolution per minute, but we have to change it to radian per second because the SI unit for angular velocity is radian per second. So 1200 revolution per 1 minute. So I'm going to change it to radian per second. So we know that 1 revolution is 2 pi. So I'm going to multiply with 2 pi in order to change it to radian. 1 minute is 60 seconds. So to change minute to second, I multiply with 60. So how much we will get for the angular velocity in radian per second? You might pause the video and do the calculations. So I'll get around 40 pi radian per second. Okay, so then we can calculate, or we can solve question A, V equal to R omega. So I'm going to have the radius is 5.6 centimeter, change it to meter. So centi is times 10 negative 2, omega is 40 pi. So pause the video and do the calculations. So I'll get around 7.04 meter second minus 1. Okay, then the second questions, what is the acceleration of the outer row of data? So this CD is doing circular motion, so the data will move in a circular path, so it will have centripetal acceleration. So the acceleration here refer to the centripetal acceleration. So the formula to calculate centripetal acceleration is V squared over R. Why I use this one? Because I already know about the speed. Okay, so I put in the value. Speed is 7.04 from question A, divide by the radius is 5.6 to the power of negative 2. Once again, you might pause the video to do the calculations. So you will get the answer for the acceleration. So the acceleration is around 885.03 meter second negative 2.